specialize in barbecue, okay?
Exactly.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.
It's morning. The camera's crooked. I am packing, folding up the air mattress that Da Vinci was sleeping on. We're excited. I'm doing laundry. We're trying to get up out of here, y'all. We try to get up out. Yeah, Vinci's so strong. Good job. Good job. All right, I've got one car. He's got the other car right there. And we're just gonna make our first trip. Whew, it's hot outside, y'all. This is my workout for the day. So don't even judge me because it's too hot and I feel like I'm working out, all right? We made it. We made it, you guys. We're gonna go get our key. Yes, I'm so excited. Where's Jay? Yay. Oh, everything is the opposite way. Hold on. Hey. Giving y'all a little sneak peek, hey? But look, we just gonna focus and get all of our stuff in here. Da Vinci's with his aunt right now. Yeah, I'm excited. We're excited, yay! Packages already. Ended up at IKEA. I've got to go pick up our bed because we have been sleeping on an air mattress in Los Angeles and that thing hurts your back. It hurts way too bad, and so we're like, we need a new mattress anyway, so we're gonna get our mattress from here. It's a pretty decent one. Yeah. And Jay's at home. Hopefully I can carry this thing by myself. See, when I tell you IKEA is winning, listen, all you gotta do is text them, let them know that you're here, and then they're gonna deliver it for you right to your car. It's the business, I'm telling you. All right, the storm had passed, so Da Vinci and we made a trip to Target, and then I was gonna go to Walmart, but he was like, Mommy, go home, and I was like, okay. So I got what I could just to kind of get us started. Tonight we're gonna have some seafood. Oh, it's going down. So Jay ended up getting us some seafood. He's out getting the rest of the stuff from the car. But I'm gonna say goodnight. You wanna say goodnight, Da Vinci?
Hi.
Say goodnight.
Hi.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Garbage truck.
Alrighty. Say good morning. Alright, so as you guys can see, there's a lot of cleaning and setting up that we still need to do. We're just unpacking and everything is everywhere right now. We still don't have our stuff from the pod. We won't get that for a few days, but I do need to go out and get some essentials so that I can come back and actually clean up. So here we go.
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck? What color is that?
It's green.
Oh, it's green. Really?
Of course.
Whoa. Yeah, it's called a broom.
You're stupid.
Da Vinci, you can have them if you're patient, okay? Patient. Okay. Yes. Da Vinci got his cookies eventually. I'm gonna try to find a Home Goods because I didn't see exactly what I needed there, but I might go back, not sure. You know, you gotta look around first. All right, moms, y'all know this. when your kid is asleep in the back, but you gotta go to the store, and you like, I don't know if I should risk it. I've been sitting here for like 10 minutes just talking on the phone because I was just like, I'm gonna just enjoy this right now. Damn it, but Home Goods is calling, so I gotta wake him up. If you're looking for baskets, Home Goods definitely has it. It is later in the day now. Whew, you guys, I gotta get this cleaned up. I think I have most of the essentials. We've gotta get some groceries, the freezer. Not working, you guys. It's a hot mess. And she just woke up. You know what? It's okay. It's okay. This needs to be rectified because I can't even think.
So one of the things I've been wanting to do for a long time was get a Nest. I really like this idea of just that smart home kind of vibe, being able to control it when you're away. So I installed this today. You guys let me know if you want a video on how to install this because it's pretty tricky. But what this allows me to do is basically it learns what we're doing. So, for example, as we use it through the summer, it'll understand kind of how we typically like it, and it'll start to adjust itself over time. But then what's even cool is we're in Kansas City now, and when it snows, right, we can be away and it can turn the heat off. But then when we come close, it'll know to turn the heat on when we start going on our way. That way, it's warm by the time we come, and then when we leave, the heat will go down. So it's really cool how it learns us. We can control it through the app. And so it's just really cool. And by the way, you save a lot of money because it actually turns it off when we're away versus air continuously going because you want it to be cool when you're home. It's really cool.
So Jay has been taping this whole room so that he can paint it this sort of deep green color.
I'm doing something really cool in here. If you guys seen my desk video, I think I did 2 desk videos. So if you've seen the first one earlier on our channel, I think I did one on LinkedIn or somewhere. But anyway, if you guys kind of see the vibe, it's an upgrade of that vibe. So in here's gonna be real tight, y'all. It has it's gonna be a minimalist pop art kind of feel. So I'm excited for you guys to see it. And we'll definitely do a whole explainer.
Hi. Vinci, what are you doing? What are you doing?
And trucks.
Your trucks? What truck? Is it the same one from yesterday?
Trucks.
Oh, yeah. Oh, very cool.
Truck.
Good morning. All right, I am ready to work out. Listen, just because we are in transition, I'm not going to give up on my goals. All right, you guys, this is all about being healthy. And then of course we love the cute little benefits that come with that. So I just really want to make sure that I'm not, I'm coming into this space with all of my intentions for having a positive, healthy life. I want to start it off strong. And so, yeah, we're going to continue with the work that I started at my mother-in-law's place. And that means continuing to work out. Workout complete, shower, get ready, run some more errands. We of course still need more things for the house. I cannot wait for our pod to get here just so I can see, what my office is gonna be looking like with everything in it, and then just figuring out what I wanna get rid of, what I wanna add. But I do need to get a drawer for Like, I love this Alex drawer from IKEA. It fits everything that I need perfectly. The drawer space is like perfect for what I need it for. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a journey, but I'm excited about it. Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. We're gonna go to get some food because I'm hungry and I need a salad. So we're gonna go to Wendy's because there's like no salad places around here. I don't know. What are we gonna do?
There's actually a lot of salad places. We just don't know yet. I mean,
yeah, we don't know yet.
There's a lot of food
I
places.
don't think that Kansas City specializes in salads.
We specialize in barbecue, okay?
Exactly. So, you know,
But we're also in a very suburban part of it, so there might be some salad places.
That's true. So we're gonna head there. Then we're gonna go to Home Goods, IKEA, and then on our way back, probably Walmart.
Oh, look at the car behind us. That old school joint.
There's a lot of nice cars in this area, like, and a lot of old school kind of vintage cars too. Like a lot. I've seen a lot. I went to the post office and like there was like 3 cars that pulled up that were really nice and like old school vintage.
Wait till they see my Tesla.
Yeah, maybe that's a suburban thing. I don't know, but it's nice.
It seems to be a thing because, you know, the older guys, they got the car they always wanted. Now that they got it.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Now they got it to some money.
Yeah. All right. Yes. Come through Wendy's. Listen, I know, but this is the best I'm going to do right now.
Lazy baby.
He's like, oh, I get to sit down. I want to sit down. I'm tired. This is what we got so far.
What is this?
Baskets. On baskets, on baskets.
What is this spectacle?
Yes.
Wow, Daddy. Daddy's
Whoa. What's he called? Is it called the Harvester? Different sizes of this thing.
Yeah. Came back to find a matching soap dish for our sponges in the kitchen, actually. And I think it's the last one. Nope, one more. Good morning. It's gym time. Super excited. You guys see a gym. And I don't have to pay for a gym membership. Oh, it's going down, you guys. There's weights over there. I have my elliptical. There's a treadmill too once my knee gets stronger. I'm so excited. And you guys haven't even seen, but we also have a pool that I'll show you later. Y'all. I missed the machine. I did. I honestly did. I love being able to work out on machines and then watch YouTube videos and catch up on podcasts and audiobooks. And then I'll like put on my music and then hit the weights. So this has been my routine, and this is the routine that got me the best results in my life. A little cardio and then strength training. So I'm just glad that I have everything I need for the most part, unless I want to do something fancy. Da Vinci's getting his hair washed. Da Vinci's getting his hair washed. Da Vinci's getting his hair washed.
Go to Vinci.
Go to Vinci. Go to Vinci.
Break it down now. Break it down now. Break it down now. Break it down now. Hey.
So I finished detangling Da Vinci's hair. He wants to say hi, apparently. He's got his chicken, his little chicken nuggets. Obviously, we're still cleaning. Garbage right there. The bathroom, I haven't even shown you guys the second bathroom. It has all of the work to be done. I haven't put anything away in that bathroom yet, but I just got an audition that came through. And yeah, Vinci. And typically when I get an audition, it changes my whole day. Somebody is at the door. Yeah? Hi.
Take a look at your freezer.
Oh yeah, sure. Come.
Hi. Hello. Oh, careful.
Come on.
Are you okay?
He's all right. He's a big one.
No.
You're sad that they left? Oh, it's okay. Hey, they're just helping us fix our fridge. And now we can have more food, fresh food. So that was maintenance to come and fix that fridge back there. And it's crazy, like I'll be cleaning and then we'll get new stuff in, then it's like I have to clean all over again, so that's annoying. But you know, tomorrow we get all of our stuff. Like I said, I have an audition, and typically when I have an audition, everything gets pushed to the side and that becomes the priority, at least for the next 24 to 48 hours. So I've got some work to do. I'm gonna go through my process, see if I can still get some things done, you know what I mean, before everything comes. So I'm gonna be up really late tonight, you guys. It's gonna be a lot, but it's okay. It's okay. This is a blessing. This is a blessing. I'm gonna take that out because that's annoying me. I cannot have that here. Yo, his joy of us throwing away the trash is hilarious. It's the cutest. He's like, throwing away the trash. I'm like, all right, yeah, there we go. Yeah, we're throwing away the trash. Made it out to the pool area, and yeah.
That is dirty.
Vinci wants to get in, but we just washed his hair. That is not happening today.
Woohoo! Look and see.
But we will. We will eventually. I cannot wait. I just needed to get outside of the house and just sit somewhere. It's very hot. It's in the 90s right now. But I think this is really nice. It's very relaxing. I miss this. Well, I got my script, and probably shouldn't show you that. I got my script, and I am gonna just sit down and learn lines for the rest of the night, and probably mostly tomorrow. But tomorrow is gonna be crazy because the pod is coming, and I have to film this audition. An actor's life.